left earlier than the one that was supposed to leave at 12:30.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but it did. Maybe we're in the wrong train.
Wrong train, sir. It's.
Sir, like,
Just kidding, right? Just kidding.
I will ask if it's.
I will,
They will not detect if
I
it
will be
is.
panic because you're but if I'm alone, I would not be panic. And birds, look, what kind of birds are they? The dark crow?
Oo, wag natin.
Andun, walang tao doon. Gusto ko lumipat eh.
Dito lang, okay na yan. Tao.
Nakapasa na tayo sa tren para malapad.
Siyempre, wala naman tayong gagawin eh. Diba? Kumain lang tayo. Mag-tiktok pa mo sana ako.